Ողջույն բոլորին. Hello everyone. Ես Շուշին եմ Hayasa'ից. I'm Shushi from Hayasa. This is a very special video because in this video we're going to learn words and expressions that you can use to refer to your Armenian partners and lovers. I have many students who are learning Armenian for their partners, and I'm sure that many of you will find this video useful. Let's get started. So first things first, you want to tell your Armenian partner that you love them. So how you do it, you just go and say yes, sիրում եմ քեզ. Yes, sիրում եմ քեզ. I love you. And after this քեզ, you can put his or her name. So yes, sիրում եմ քեզ Անահիտ, or yes, sիրում եմ քեզ Aram. Let's move on. I'm going to give you some words that you can use to refer to your loved ones. For example, կյանքս. Կյանքս means my life. Կյանք is life. This s at the end stands for my. So կյանքս, ես քեզ շատ եմ սիրում. Another word will be սերս. Սեր is love. Again, սերս, my love. Սերս, ինչպես ես? How are you, my love? Another word, քաղցրես or անուշես. They both mean sweet. And the last word in my list is ganzas. Ganzis treasure. And people use this to refer to their partners. I've heard it many times. Ganzas. Ganzas, Barev, love us. Alright, now I'm going to give you two more sentences that you can use with your partners. First one is yes, կարոտում եմ քեզ. I miss you. Քեզ actually is not you. You already know what's you. Քեզ stands for to you. The way you say I miss her, she changes to her. In Armenian, do, you changes to քեզ. So yes, կարոտում եմ քեզ. Yes, կարոտում եմ քեզ. Narek. And the next one is քո մասին եմ մտածում. Քո մասին means you, about. So about you, մտածում եմ. I'm thinking about you. Քո մասին եմ մտածում, Narek. Alright, let's summarize. You know how to say I love you. Yes, սիրում եմ քեզ. I miss you. Yes, կարոտում եմ քեզ. I'm thinking about you. Yes, մտածում եմ քո մասին. And you have some words to refer to your loved ones. You have կյանքս, սերս, գանձս, քաղցրս, անուշս. It's already a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Love each other. Sirek irար. And goodbye. It was Shushi from Hayasa.